2020 question 16a part 3. Currently in the program, the uppercase letters are hard-coded as the string, all the uppercase letters of the alphabet, and replace the use of this string with the variable in a manner similar to that used to represent the lowercase letters. And the output of the program should not be changed. You should name the variable uppercase letters. Okay, so let's go investigating here. And when we go investigating, we can see, right, so if character in lowercase letters. So basically when you go iterating through your password, character by character, whatever the first character is, it checks if it's in lowercase, and it checks if it's in this hard-coded string. Right, so that's what we need to change. And if we go up above here, we can see that lowercase letters is a variable that stores the following string. So we need to go upper case and letters equals, put on the caps locks, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice. And down below, and I suppose I should throw in a comment there, maybe. So the uppercase. That is in the alphabet. And now we change this down below also, which will have no difference to the output, but we now have using a bit more refined work, let's say, or more readable code. So let's just run that, and we can go sunshine again, and make it all, it doesn't matter what we put in really. 6 there, let's run it with another one, Man United, space in between, score of 1, typical United season.